Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to find in one column and replace in another column in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we can see here many data. Now we want to find in one column and replace another column. At first, go to the home menu. Select the find and select drop down menu. Choose find option. Then write your find text. Now I am write my text. Then select find all. We can see here 4 finded option. Then we select the replace option. Then write my text. Now I am make select this replace with text, then click replace all. We can see here 4 replacement. We can see here the replacement text and here. Then close the window. Now we can see we find one column and replace in another column easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.